Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a reveal entrance animation with an image in Elementor. This effect adds a professional touch to your website by making images appear with a smooth reveal animation as visitors scroll down the page. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to your WordPress website dashboard and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, look over to the left sidebar and locate the Pages menu. Click on Pages, then select All Pages from the dropdown. This will show you a list of all the pages on your website. Find the page where you want to add the reveal animation and click Edit with Elementor. This opens up the Elementor editor, which is where all the magic happens. Now that you're in the Elementor editor, you'll need to locate the widget that contains the image you want to animate. This could be an image widget, a column background, or any element with an image inside it. Click directly on that widget to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see the blue border appear around it. With your widget selected, shift your attention to the left panel. Here you'll see several tabs at the top, including Content, Style, and Advanced. Click on the Advanced tab. This tab contains more sophisticated customization options that go beyond basic styling. Once you're in the Advanced tab, scroll down through the various sections until you find Motion Effects. Click on this section to expand it. Here's where things get interesting. The Motion Effects section is where Elementor allows you to add entrance animations, scrolling effects, and other dynamic movements to your elements. However, you'll notice that in order to enable these features, you must upgrade to Elementor Pro. The free version of Elementor doesn't include access to motion effects, so this is a premium feature. If you want to create reveal entrance animations and other advanced effects, you'll need to invest in the Pro version, which unlocks this functionality along with many other powerful design tools. By upgrading, you'll gain access to entrance animations that can transform how your images appear on screen, making your website more engaging and visually appealing. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.